Kiddo's Kingdom.
Hello kids. Let's play opposites. Learn fun words that are totally different from each other. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time.